how to automatically move emails to a folder in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can categorize and organize your Gmail a little bit. So starting off is by creating a label. Let's say I want to create a label for Shopify. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this over here, and then I'm going to click on these three dots on the top right, and then I can click on label, and then I can select one of the labels that has been added, or I can click on create new, and I can just name this Shopify. I can even label it under something else. So if I want to label it under promotions, maybe I can select that as well. But I'm just going to create this label over here. So now if I go into the left and I go into one of my pre-built labels, I have this Shopify label, and everything that I've marked under this label will be shown here. But if I want to automatically label things and have them organized, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, let's say, all of my emails from Shopify. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and then click on more, then click on filter messages like these. Then I can apply a rule to this particular email. So you can filter things by the email that it is sent from, by their subject, by has these words, by doesn't have these words, and by file size. And then I'm going to click on create filter. And then what I want to do is that I want to automatically label things that are sent by this email, which is at email.shopify.com, to be added under the label of Shopify. And then I'm going to click on create filter. And now any emails that I receive from Shopify's email will directly be moved under the label called Shopify, and everything will be organized for me. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.